Today I'm going to show you how to open up an older Apple iMac. This is the model A1225 from 2008. So first you have to remove this magnetically attached screen cover, and you can just use a piece of tape like this and create a handle in the middle so you can pull it up. It's really not so difficult. Or you can use a suction cup if you have one. So you can see it's magnetically attached with these points here. So now we have this removed. It's the next step. We have to remove these torque screws around the LCD screen. And these are T8 Torx screws, so that's what you need. The T8 Torx screwdriver, and they are easily unscrewed. It's about this long, so just go around and remove all of them. Also, it's important to remove this screw here that has the last cover on the bottom. So once you remove that, we can start popping open the case. So in order to open the computer, we have to remove this front cover here, and you really have to push on the edge of the LCD and kind of pop it open like this. So just have to do it all around the case. You have to use a little bit of strength. There we go. And do the same for this part. So now the front case is removed. You can see there is the webcam or the microphone attached to the side. And there is the internal of the computer. I think the hard drive is behind the LCD screen, so I have to remove it from the case by unscrewing these Torx screws holding it in place. After I removed all the screws, now I can just lift it up and be careful with the bottom part because there are still some cables attached. Okay, let me see. So mainly we have two connectors. One is this one that's connected to the motherboard, and then there's this other one that's connected to this part of the motherboard, which I can just detach from here and then just flip it. There's enough space. There's another one that's attached to the main board. I don't really need to remove everything, considering that I'm just going to open up and remove the hard drive. So here you can see these are the innards. This is the hard drive, and these are the memory slots which you can access from the bottom without opening the computer. And this is the PCI Express Wi-Fi connector. And this is the DVD drive. To remove the hard drive, this is a 3.5-inch hard drive, and you just need to push this down, this plastic clip that's hooking onto the metal frame here, push it down and then lift it up, and then the hard drive can be removed. Then you just remove the SATA connector and the power connector, and then you have the hard drive. And this is the original 500 gigabyte Western Digital hard drive. And then you can just remove the mounting bracket and then put a new hard drive in.